Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Here we are at TMC at 181 East Houston Street. In the previous video we looked at LÄRABAR, but we looked at one of their protein bars. Now this is the non-protein apple pie. I tried the with protein apple cobbler. And what's good about LÄRABAR is they just have 6 ingredients. So they are non-GMO, they're gluten-free, they're vegan, they're dairy-free, and they're soy-free. So this is the front of the bar. Apple pie is similar to apple cobbler, so we're gonna try this out. The protein one was dense. It didn't have that traditional protein flavor. It was different. Not my favorite. I could kind of tell that it was apple, but you know, it's a meal replacement bar. It's there for convenience, and having an added flavor is just a little bit better. These are the nutrition facts back here. And what I found kind of funny is they bold everything like calories, cholesterol. They keep sugars the same size, so they don't want you to immediately see that. 18 grams of sugar, that's a little bit high for something tiny like this, but it's meal replacement. It has 200 calories. The point is, you're hungry, you want to not be hungry, and maybe some sugar will help too. So this is what the bar looks like. It actually looks extremely similar to the protein bar, so maybe this is as dense as the other one. Now, the protein bar was $1.99. This one I found at Whole Foods for $1.39, so cheaper. Yep. It is just slightly less dense. It is much sweeter. I can taste the sugar, and for me that sugar is kind of like appley, so I can definitely taste the apple pie quicker than I did the apple cobbler in the protein bar. How much protein does this have? This one has 4 grams of protein, so it has some protein. Still pretty good as a meal replacement bar. The flavor is good. If you've had LÄRABAR before, they're more natural, again, vegan, non-GMO. It's just a little bit better for you. I mean, this is another processed bar squished down into this little space, so it's more convenient for you to have. But I like this one better than the protein one, so I'd say give this a try unless you need the protein. It's also less expensive too. Alright, so this has been Matt for Creative. We've been taking a look at LÄRABAR. This is the apple pie. This is like their original one. And you can find me on Instagram at m8b9, and you can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.